welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into 10 essential exercises every man should incorporate into their fitness routine for optimal health and strength. Whether you're just starting out on your fitness journey or looking to take your workouts to the next level, these exercises will target key muscle groups and improve overall athleticism. Let's jump right in with exercise number 1. The squats are a compound movement that targets the legs, glutes, and core. They're essential for building lower body strength and power. Next up, we have the deadlift. Another compound exercise that targets the posterior chain including the hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. Moving on to exercise number 3, the bench press. Bench presses are a classic chest exercise that also engage the shoulders and triceps. Exercise number 4 is the pull-up. Pull-ups are a challenging body weight exercise that target the back, biceps, and shoulders. Next we have the overhead press. Overhead presses target the shoulders, upper back and triceps. Exercise number 6 is the lunge, a fantastic unilateral exercise that targets your legs, glutes, and core. Begin by standing with your feet hip-width apart, hands either placed on your hips, or holding dumbbells by your sides. Step forward with one foot, lowering your body until both knees form a 90 degrees angle. Push through your front heel to return to your starting position and repeat on the other side, moving forward. Our 7th exercise is the bent over row. This exercise targets the back, biceps and rear deltoids. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding a barbell or dumbbells with an overhand grip hinge at your hips, keeping your back flat and chest up and lower the weight towards the ground. Pull the weight towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together, then lower it back down with control. Next we have the plank, the 8th exercise on our list. Planks are a core strengthening exercise that also engage your shoulders, chest and glutes. Start in a push-up position with your hands directly under your shoulders, and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and hold this position, ensuring your hips stay level and that you avoid any sagging or arching. The 9th exercise is the Russian twist, a great move for targeting the obliques and improving rotational stability. Sit on the ground with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lean back slightly to engage your core. Hold a weight or medicine ball with both hands and twist your torso to one side, bringing the weight toward the ground. Return to the center, then twist to the other side, keeping your core engaged throughout. Finally, we introduce the burpee, a full-body exercise that targets multiple muscle groups while also providing a cardiovascular challenge. Start standing. Squat down and place your hands on the ground. Jump your feet back into a plank position. Lower your chest to the ground in a push-up. Push yourself back up. Jump your feet back to your hands and explode upwards into a jump, reaching your arms overhead. Land softly and immediately go into the next rep. So there you have it. 10 essential exercises to enhance men's fitness. Incorporating these movements into your routine can help build strength, improve athleticism, and elevate your fitness to a new level. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe for more tips and insights on men's health and wellness.